Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to view blocked users in Snapchat app on an Android device. Well, knowing how to view blocked users in Snapchat enables you to manage your privacy and interactions on the platform effectively. And by accessing the list of blocked users, you can review who you've blocked and make any necessary adjustment to your privacy settings or contact preferences. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly, go ahead and open Snapchat app. Well, so here enter to your profile page. After that, you can click settings option and then scroll down please until you find blocked users. Tap on it. Okay, and here you'll find blocked users on your Snapchat account. Well, that's the tutorial on how to view blocked users in Snapchat app on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.